Hi, what is going on? Fun from Fun TV, and today we're doing a massive pack opening. So we got 14 of pack opening. We got Boo pack. I literally don't know what it is, but just let's open the Screamer pack first. Let's see what we get. Alright, that's good. I like the trick ones. Alright, second Hufflo pack, we get Smiley. Wow, that is good. Third pack, we get, oh my god, Hector used to, at least I can update my team, so that's pretty good. Oh. Alright, open pack later. Alright. Can we get 91? Him again! Twice! Come on, EA, come on! Boom! Alright, treat token. That's alright. Boom! Another treat token. Maybe this pack is another treat token. Nope, it's Harris. I got him already, so that is bad. But he's 80 right back, so that's not too bad. Another treat token, alright. Another treat token. Yeah, another treat token. And boom, Harris. I got him twice. No. Yeah, I got him twice. Ooh. Alright, at least I can update my team, so that's pretty good. Another Hufflo pack, and then we open the trophy pack, and then we're going to open ultimate pack, and last but not least we're gonna open the Boo pack. Alright, let's not waste our time, so let's open this Matuidi. I think it's a token on this. Yeah, it's an ultimate token. Alright, the moment you have been all waiting for. The Boo pack. Wow, this absolutely gorgeous pack. Looking pack. Got 3. Alright. Boom. 3 token. Boom. Oh, that's not bad. And last but not least, boom! Alright, that's cool. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Drop a like on this video. Subscribe if you are new. And goodbye. Peace out.